He asked for coffee.
Can you give him a coffee? It's really not that expensive.
No, we're not giving him
I believe you have a coffee machine in the hallway.
Sir, we have coffee for the law enforcement.
You have a coffee machine in the hallway. He's cold. Give him a coffee.
Well, if he didn't run from us, then he could have got coffee on his own. You see? All right, I'm assuming you want to know what he's being charged with?
Yes, sir.
All right, he's going to be assaulting on a peace officer, felony evasion,
but you don't look very peaceful.
felony speed. He assaulted him, if that helps you. He didn't assault me. He assaulted the trooper here. But felony evasion, felony speed, failure to maintain lanes, all the traffic laws he pretty much broke. I'm pretty sure at some point he ran into his vehicle, so he's going to have to pay for that. I think...
Mr. McGee, is that
everything.
you?
Yeah, it's me.
It's Jason McGee. Don't you know your client?
Okay.
Do you know your client?
I'm making sure it wasn't his twin brother.
Oh, that's great.
Thank you so much for showing up on short notice.
Oh, it's okay, Mr. McGee. Snodsbury Law. Okay?
Okay.
Snodsbury Law.
Okay. What's the rate? I just want to know what they're going to be. I don't know. I had my girlfriend call. I didn't. I had to find go on the Google and find.
Can you get a cup of water, please? These parts.
You want water, sir?
Please.
I can get you a cup of water.
Sir, can you back up from the door so I can speak to my client, please, and thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Don't worry, mister. Don't worry, we're getting you that cup of water.
Here's your cup of water.
Alright, Mr. McGee. So, we're gonna need to figure this out, okay? So, can I hear his charges one more time?
Yep. It was felony evasion, failure to main lanes, felony speed,
failure to main lane, sir. That's not a charge.
It is. It's a
failure to main lane. So you're telling me failure to main a lane is a charge?
Lanes. Failure to
you said main lane, sir. That's not a charge.
Well, I didn't mean to. Failure to maintain lanes.
Okay,
failure
sir.
to maintain lanes because he's all over the road doing. We have it all on camera. If you want to see it, dash cam, body cam, we got it all.
Okay.
There's not much you're going to be able to argue here in court. That's all I got to say.
Well, listen, my client called me. I have to at least try.
Yeah, I understand. That's fine. But he admitted to being under the use of some sort of drug, so also driving under the influence.
He didn't drive on any. Sir, what'd you say?
They haven't even
were you at your... Hold on. Mr. McGee, were you at your rights before you answered any of these questions?
I was read my rights, and I told them I'm not speaking until my lawyer gets here.
Okay. Good idea. Okay, so what kind of questions did you guys ask him before the lawyer was present?
We didn't ask him. We didn't ask him any questions.
I made sure
he yelled out the window, so that charge.
Did you yell out the window? You were drinking water.
Nope. He yelled that he said that he was using some sort of drug. Can't remember, but I can check back on the body cam.
Sorry, he had Advil. He had a headache.
Meth out.
Oh, he threw meth. Yeah, and he said he threw meth. He threw meth out the window while he was driving.
But Advil and Civs make meth.
What?
Advil and Civs make meth.
I wouldn't know that.
Okay, yeah. So, it was.
You had some mushrooms? Those are just portobello. Those are for a steak.
No. That's a drug.
Okay, so can I explain what happened?
Yeah, go ahead.
So, me and Thelma, we went to supper tonight, and I ordered steak. Okay, it was a really big, fat, juicy T-bone. Okay,
did you have mushrooms with it?
I did, and I think they was tainted. I got in the car to leave. And
okay. We're gonna need to call that, sir. I need that restaurant to be searched.
Okay, it was off Grapeseed Road. Okay.
Do you remember the name of the restaurant?
Oh, wait. Whoa. It's over there by Flywheels. You know, down the block from Flywheels.
Okay, yeah.
I need the car to be searched.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Don't do that. Can you talk without spitting? That'd be great.
Sir, I have a lisp.
I'm sorry, but it'd be appreciated if you don't say and not spray. You know what I mean?
Wait, lawyer, are you saying these yellow jackets, they tainted my food? Is that what happened here?
They could have been.
Oh my God, it was the shrooms. They put the wrong.
I need to call a defense attorney.
Lawyer.
Yeah, we can get people down there and check it out, but most of that situation can have to be handled in court.
I've got a private matter. I need
him,
to tell
sir.
my lawyer without
Okay, if he was given those while he was under whatever they put in his food, it's not his fault.
Okay.
I understand that, but we can't just let him free.
My client needs to be free.
That's not how that works.
Free willy like the whale.
Just because he said they put something in his food, we can't just believe that.
You know what? I'll sit right here until you test it. I'll stay right there.
No, he's going to be... The prison bus is going to pick him up.
Jail. He's scared.
The prison bus is going to pick him up.
The prison bus ain't picking shit up, buddy.
If he wants to argue that, then he can get his charges dropped in court. His charges aren't going to be dropped right here. His charges will be dropped in court because that's not how we do things.
But there is no judge.
I got an idea. Why don't we go? Why don't we all just go to the courtroom and deal with this right down?
Yeah, let's go to court. I'll get a judge. I'll call a judge. I'll meet you in court.
A date has to be set.
I'm calling the judge. Hold on.
Let's go.
A date has to be set. We can't just do it today.
Set the date. Go in your office and see if the judge is available.
Okay, but you're still going to be held in prison for
There's a
until
holding
then.
cell at the jail, at the courtroom.
We're not putting you in a holding cell.
The judge actually gets back on. Oh, the judge is back on shift at 11 p.m. EST. Give us 1 second.
Alrighty.
He can press charges if he is willing to.
Your Honor, but he may not speak. You may not speak to him while court is not in session. Shut your mouth.
You can go talk to your client.
Your Honor, objection that lawyer's being disrespectful.
That sucks.
Disrespected my court many times. You're lucky I haven't. You're lucky I haven't. You're lucky you're not arrested yet. For disorderly conduct.
Alright, let's go ahead and get the dash cam and body cam footage ready to go.
I'm gonna wait for the bailiff to get back.
Lawyer, did you show them the proof of purchase from Craigslist with that card?
I have it, yes.
Sir, who's this guy on the floor?
I have no clue.
They're in shambles.
We should. Your Honor, can you untouch your head button?
No.
Yes.
No, really no. You know, the food stuff has absolutely nothing to do with it.
I was drugged.
Hey, you better back up before I throw you in cuffs.
Telling me it don't have anything to do with it. I was drugged. You're crooked.
I don't remember talking to you. Do I remember talking to you? No. I'm talking to my lawyer.
I'm a victim here. Where's my victim's advocate?
We still don't even have any proof of you being there. So I suggest you stop talking.
Wait, my lawyer is still going to present the video.
Oh, I'm waiting to see it.
I'm tired of that DA looking at like me. He's biased.
I'm back. Alright, we got it ready to go. Since they get mad when I talk to the trooper, let him know he can go ahead and set up his body cam footage when he's ready to, if he's pressing charges.
Court's back in session, bitches. Alright. Where were we?
He was talking about his stolen vehicle and how it somehow was registered to him when the registration was not to his name.
Don't speak until spoken to.
Wow.
Whoops.
I would like
until spoken to, criminal.
I would like the paperwork for the vehicle.
Lawyer, can you give him the paperwork?
Give it to the bailiff.
Bailiff, come over here and get the paperwork, okay? Right here.
Objection, Your Honor, while they're giving him the evidence.
Go ahead.
Even if this registration is valid. The registration in the vehicle and insurance in the vehicle is not correct, and he has to have that while he's driving his motor vehicle.
That is correct.
Okay.
Why are we discussing?
Can you give me the paperwork? Thank you. Yeah, they're at this point just trying to lie the way through it. I'm not surprised.
Your Honor, objection. They're speaking when not spoken to by you.
You were doing it just a minute ago.
I was speaking. Wasn't speaking to you, and you were still speaking.
I've never had a chance to finish my sandwich. Can I eat my sandwich, please? I'm starving.
No eating in my court.
They've starved.
You can eat. You can eat in the holding cell.
Can I have a burger? They gave me a rotten fish sandwich.
Okay, Mr. McGee.
Mr. Jaceberg, can you grab the registration we had on scene? Insurance and registration.
Check the skybox. Mr. Schnozberg, check your skybox.
That's not. You're talking about.
I'm looking at that vehicle's registration. This registration shows that it belongs to Jason McGee.
Objection, Your Honor.
Go.
Can we hand you our papers of what we found on scene?
Yeah, if the bailiff could hand that to me.
All right, and while we're on the subject, when we did search the vehicle and Mr. McGee over there was no driver's license on him or in the vehicle at any time.
Mr. McGee, your driver's license.
Bailiff, can you give him these papers?
Bailiff's over there.
They didn't search your jacket.
We have our own.
That's their fault. Okay.
I can hear him whispering while they're not being spoken to.
Stop speaking?
Here you go, Your Honor.
Yep.
Getting mad to us about talking about it when the judge isn't talking to us.
Your Honor?
Alright. What?
My client was just telling me that his wallet was on his person. If you take a look at his jacket here, and you pull the jacket slightly off, at the top corner where your breastbone meets the jacket, here, let me point to it. There's a pocket right there on the inside where he keeps his wallet so he doesn't lose it. They never searched his jacket. That's their fault for not doing a thorough search of the client.
Jacket. Nothing was in it. So
The
if that was placed,
the registration for the vehicle shows it was registered to a Jake Snell. Can you explain that?
Well, I mean, the title's not, Jake Snell, so, sir, I don't know what to tell you.
That was both DMV and the registration.
and Your Honor.
No.
He was searched on scene, and so if he was ever given anything while in the holding cell, I would like to see that evidence because he never had anything on him or in the vehicle of sort of a wallet.
Okay. Did we ever find this quote-unquote meth that was thrown?
No, sir. We still have officers patrolling to find it. He never gave us a specific road or area of when he threw it out the window.
Your Honor, objection.
Go.
I thought we discussed this. It was powdered sugar from making his pancakes earlier that morning.
Quote-unquote meth.
Yes, sir. It flew out of the vehicle, and if you know what powdered sugar is, correct? If a vehicle was to hit it, it would probably disappear instantly.
There were no vehicles behind us when the pursuit.
I understand that, sir, but it's been over 16 hours since the pursuit, so I don't think powdered sugar would have stayed on the road.
Quit speaking when you're not spoken to. That's your last warning before you're out of here. I would like the defendant's attorney to state what he would like to state.
I mean, I have
final words before the
at this point, I've given. We still have our dash cam and body cam footage of the entire vehicle pursuit and interaction with Mr. McGee. So once we show that final footage, I believe it should show you all you need to know.
Okay. Is that on a flash drive?
Yes, sir.
Present that to the bailiff.
I'm okay. Okay. You had that to me, but okay.
There you
He's our bailiff.
Quit speaking.
How about you shut up?
Not you, them. They keep whispering while not being spoken to. I would like to make
Your
that
Honor, by
known. It's
request-
happened multiple times.
Yeah, Your Honor, by request, if they have one more outburst or whispering to each other when not spoken to, they should be held in contempt of court.
I didn't hear it that time. If I hear it again, that's it. They're out.
All right, Your Honor, can I present the video evidence on the camera or on the TV over there?
I can do it from my computer.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Mr. McGee, can you undeafen your head, please? Mr. McGee, can you unmute your head?
Mute your head.
So any of the files are corrupt. Is that it?
That's not. Hold on.
Okay.
Hey, sir, mute your damn head. I'm trying to talk to my client. Motherfucker.
Go ahead.
Acer's in here. I don't want him to hear what I'm gonna say to you. For your case. Oh, my breath's unmuted. Jesus Christ. Why don't we just fucking, do the court case in here?
Evidence here shows that everything
For Christ's sake.
the law enforcement has said has been true
My fucking God.
regarding the speeds. The
Acer, you
assault,
suck as being a
and the
lawyer.
other
Jesus
thing that was
Christ.
said. Do you guys have anything to say about that?
Repeat that, Your Honor.
The video presented just showed that all the speeds, assaults, and other things that were presented by the law enforcement have been proven true.
You're telling me that my client was seen throwing things out the window on a video? Because they didn't state that before, so if they're going to give accusations like that, I would like to press charges for tampering with evidence.
How is it tampering? What did they do?
Upon showing you the video, did they explain what was happening in the video before they showed it to you? They also said that they witnessed they also said that they witnessed my client throwing things out the window. So unless that's on that video,
we never said
I would like to press charges for tampering with evidence.
We never said we witnessed.
Your Honor, objection. They're cutting me off.
Damn right I am.
Order.
Objection, Your Honor.
What?
I mean, if we really want to look at every single video footage possible, and you can go back on this court case, I never said we witnessed him throwing anything out of the window. He made that statement himself when he got out of the window, or when he got out of the vehicle.
That is true.
Everything there is proof of how the speeds he was doing on the roadways when he assaulted my officer, and how he handled the situation. At no point did we say we witnessed him throwing anything, nor have we found anything.
I love how that he's just disregarding the fact that you were fucking drugged. He's just, your son is an idiot. Listen to the fucking clues.
Have anything to say? The accused, I should say.
Yes, we do, Your Honor. Do keep in mind that at this time, my client was under the influence of meth and some sort of hypnotical shrooms that were given to him at that restaurant.
Objection, Your Honor.
Go.
We still don't have any video proof of him being at the Yellow Jack, or that this wasn't tampered evidence that they made on.
You want the receipt from his dinner that night?
I would like to see video proof from the Yellow Jack of their CCTV of this.
Well, you can request that. There's no physical altercation or anything that's went down there needing video proof. What I can present to you though is the receipt from his dinner
for multiple days. So let's go get that CCTV.
I grabbed the CCTV and then bring it up there.
Come on, plumber, we got this. Trying.
I thought we didn't have the CCTV.
We didn't, but
my
now
client
it's here.
wants to present it apparently.
Where did we get it from?
Probably his house.
It was in his pocket on a flash drive, sir.
I don't know how it'd be in his pocket if he was arrested.
How does that work? How does he get the footage? He was in jail. Your story ain't adding up.
That means they had an interaction before he was brought out here.
Is this true?
Objection, you have no proof.
Proof was just brought up to him that it was in his pants. What do you mean? There's no proof.
It was on the table in here. He asked me to bring it with us. Not that we were going to present it, but he grabbed it before he came to the stand.
You said you never had the CCTV.
He placed it in his pocket.
Hey, you said you did not have the CCTV.
I said we have it, but I was not going to give it to them upon requesting it, for there was no legal reason that they needed it. But my client wants to present it, so I'm going to allow him.
You said that
he never said that. He never said that, by the way.
Shut up, you're not allowed to speak.
Shut up, you stink.
You never said. You said, I do not have the CCTV footage.
I said I do not have the CCTV footage to present to you, Your Honor, because at this time I did not believe that it was needed. Because upon them requesting proof that he was at the Yellow Jack, I have the receipt from that dinner that he has purchased that night.
Can be altered with and also fabricated.
So, Your Honor, if I present you this receipt on receipt paper signed with pen and his name at the bottom that he paid for this, you're going to tell me that's fake?
I mean, it wouldn't be very hard.
Your fucking son's an idiot.
Get your own receipt making machines.
I'm trying, but like...
So no, I would rather watch
ridiculous.
video footage than a piece of paper.
Sir, it's not a piece of paper.
Receipt paper, my bad.
Alright, I gotta go AFK for a second.
Go.
I I would like to bring up the trooper to the stand to let him give his side, since we never talked.
Your Honor, objection.
He was assaulted. He was the one who was assaulted.
Your Honor, objection.
Yes, yes, yes.
The trooper is acting as a bailiff on that side of the courthouse. He may not be presented to the stands during this court hearing.
He's the only one on duty. That's the only reason why he's here.
Well, at this time, he's acting as a bailiff, and he has been the entire court case, sir. So at this time, you cannot call a bailiff to the stands.
I would think that's BS if he's the one.
You cannot call a bailiff to the stands via court rules.
Let the man speak. He's been sitting here the whole time. I'm speaking.
He was the one who was assaulted. I would like to hear him speak.
I mean, we can have the other officer take his place as a bailiff.
Negative, sir. You can't switch bailiffs mid-court.
I mean, if it is needed, it can be done. He is part of the evidence as he was assaulted.
You're the judge. You make the call.
Put him up there. I want to hear what he has to say.
Trooper, you can speak.
Jesus fucking Christ, Brett. You're corrupt.
Hello? Is this thing on?
Yeah, it's on, it's on.
Carter, this is bullshit. Let me tell you what.
We were chasing this man. He stopped. We stopped him. He got out the car. Told him to stop running at me. He got tased twice, man. Twice. He just said, I'm coming. He punched me right in my nose. He took out 2 of my teeth.
It's okay, pull it together.
He left me bleeding, man.
And after that, he was shot, correct?
That's a pussy of a state trooper right there.
I don't have the
It's a very fair point.
He just wouldn't leave me
Carter, I
alone.
guarantee you our deputies wouldn't cry like
He
that.
just punching his lawyer. Is he crazy?
Sir,
Sir,
do I
it's a
need to have
muscle
you arrested?
spasm. Sir, it's a PTSD muscle spasm from his traumatic experience.
Are you given permission to speak? We're not
Your
given
Honor,
permission to speak.
objection.
If he was blacked out, how would he hear it, or how would he remember it?
Your Honor, he blacked out upon being in the vehicle.
If he was blacked out, he wouldn't have been.
Yes, he blacked out once the vehicle came to a stop, sir. So, can I object to their point they just
Objection. Objection.
stated? No, I was objecting to that point.
Well, you said that he blacked out when
Yeah,
when the
but
vehicle
that's
came
not
to a
that,
stop.
that
Then how
doesn't
did he
no,
get out
that
and start
doesn't count
punching?
because you spoke twice.
But then how? If he blacked out, then how did he get out and start punching the officer?
Sir, I'm getting to that. Your Honor, objection.
What's your objection?
My client being that he was drugged and on methamphetamine and some sort of hypnotic shroom, okay, will do crazy things to the human body that will make people do things and not even think. Like, he could have been seeing ghosts in Mario jumping around while it's actually a cop. He, at that time, had no mental capacity to make any decisions for himself, and he could not decipher that because
y'all
at
are
the
getting
time
nowhere.
he was
Y'all are
drugged.
getting nowhere. This stuff is going too damn long.
This is why I hate doing court cases. That's the whole.
Yeah, right, because your
Your Honor,
fucking
may I object?
attorney won't just
The
accept
bailiff
the
just
fact that you
leave?
guys have
May I
fucking
object, Your
zero evidence.
We have
He's
literally
recording.
footage of him attacking us. I mean,
Go
You don't. No, the fuck you don't.
yeah,
It doesn't
we
matter.
can body cam and dash
You
cam.
brought a
Any
bailiff to the
actions-
court. You can't do that.
Anyway, whether he's drugged or not, it's. I'm speaking. I'm speaking.
I'm gonna just go buy a gun and shoot up it. I'm not playing right
Next
now.
time, it's your
I-
eye.
It doesn't
it's-
matter-
I
it doesn't
rather-
matter if you're drugged or not.
I'd rather just do RP and not this.
any
I'd rather
action
have been on
committed
as
to
LEO.
Sylvia,
Yeah, I'm about to buy a gun and shoot it up, so
Code.
you'll have something to do
Bring him
then.
to jail.
Bailiff,
Fuck you! Fuck
Get
you!
hit.
Fuck you all! Fuck you!
bailiff, arrest him.
Holy shit!
Because Knight's just being
good
belligerent. He's not
Look at your
actually
flag.
listening to anything, and then.
He's not listening, and I'm presenting like a good fucking case. Like,
Well,
I'm
even
literally trying.
both of y'all. I mean, there's
Detain him.
this case has no point to it. There's no point to the case.
It's over.
It's just like